Hey y'all, it's Minnie. Welcome back to my channel, Crocheting with Minnie. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're one of my old faithfuls, welcome back. I'm glad you guys decided to spend some time with me today. Now today we are talking about this One-Skein beautiful yarn. It's made with the mandala yarn, and you know, the yarn that's like an ombre style where it kind of changes colors, and it is a beautiful scarf, and the pattern is absolutely marvelous. So I am going to show you how I crochet this. It's a very simple pattern and easy to follow. Let's get into the tutorial.
This project we're using a cake of mandala yarn, and this color is Groot, G-R-O-O-T, a size H 5mm crochet hook, a weaving needle to weave in your ends, and a pair of scissors. Y'all like my cute little scissors? Let me know in the comment section. For the project, we will start with the slip knot. And to start with a slip knot, I like to hold the beginning piece of yarn in my right hand. I call it the short piece of yarn. And then I use the remaining yarn in my left hand. So I take my left hand and I fold that yarn over to make a little circle. Then I take the long piece of yarn and I push it up through the back of that little circle. Push it up. Use your fingers to bring it all the way through. And so now you have that yarn inside the little circle. Take your short piece of yarn and just pull it tight. Just pull it down. Okay? And that's how you create your loop. Okay? So now, this is our slip knot, and now we are going to chain 30. And to chain 30, we're going to insert our crochet hook into our loop, tighten around the crochet hook, and now we are going to yarn over and pull that yarn through the loop that's on the hook. That's one chain, yarn over, pull the yarn through. That's two, yarn over, pull through, that's three, yarn over, pull through, that's four. And we are going to do that 30 times, so we need 30 chains. 5, 6, 7, 8, that's 10. So we have 30 chains. Now we are going to work 2 double crochets in the third chain from the hook. Okay, so we are going to go 1, 2, 3. And we are going to do a double crochet in that third chain from the hook. So I am going to yarn over, insert my crochet hook into that third chain. And I like to go in the top loop of the chain. And now we're going to yarn over and pull that yarn through. You should have 3 loops on the hook. We're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through the remaining 2. And we're going to do another double crochet in the same chain. So we're going to yarn over, insert our crochet hook in that same top chain, pull the yarn up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay. Next we're going to skip the next 2 chains, and in this third chain from what we just created, we are going to do a single crochet and 2 double crochets in the same chain. So again, we're skipping these 2, and in this third one we are going to do a single crochet, and that's inserting our crochet hook. Pull the yarn up, you'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through. Now we're going to do 2 double crochets in the same chain space. So yarn over, insert your crochet hook, pull the yarn up, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, that we're going to do another double crochet in the same stitch. So we're going to yarn over, insert the crochet hook, pull that yarn up, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that's our first little cluster there. Now we are going to do this 7 more times. We are going to skip 2, and then in the third one we are going to do a single crochet, and then we're going to do 2 double crochets in the same chain space. We're going to skip 2, in the third space, this one, we are going to single crochet. And now we're going to do 2 double crochets. Skip 2 in the third space, insert and do a single crochet, and another double crochet. And you're just going to continue until you get to the end of the chain. Single crochet, double crochet, and then another double crochet. So now we've done it 7 times. We should have 8 of the clusters that we made with the single and the 2 doubles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We just finished the eighth one. And then now for the last stitch, we are going to skip these 2, the next 2 chains, and we're going to do a single crochet in the very last stitch. Yarn over, pull through. This is our first row. For the second row and all the remaining rows, they're all going to be the same. So you are going to chain 2 at the end, 1, and the chain we're just yarning over and pulling through. Okay, we're going to chain 2. You take your work and you flip it around because we're going to go back the other way. Okay, so in that single crochet that we did, we are going to do 2 double crochets in the top of that single crochet. Yarn over, insert the crochet hook in the top of that single crochet, and do 2 double crochets. We're going to skip the top of the double crochet, so we're going to skip 2, 1, 2, we're skipping, and then we're going to find that single crochet that we did in each of the little clusters, and that's where we're going to be doing our stitches, inside that single crochet. So now we are going to single crochet and double crochet in each of those single crochet spaces. Single, double, and double. Okay, and that's what we're going to do all the way across. Skip 2, 1, 2, go into the third one, which should be your single crochet. Insert, do a single crochet and 2 double crochets. And you will continue this pattern until you complete the entire cake of mandala yarn. And you'll have a beautiful scarf when you finish. Now we're at the end of our second row, and we are going to do a single crochet in the top of that chain space. And just yarn over, pull it through, and do a single crochet. And now we're going to repeat the second row, which is chain 2. And that's all you have to do until you finish the entire cake of yarn. So you chain 2, you turn, you're going to do 2 double crochets in the first single crochet. Okay, do two double crochets in here, right in that first single crochet. Then you're going to skip 2, and in the next space should be that single crochet. You're going to do a single crochet and 2 double crochets, and you're going to do that, and your pattern will look like this one. So continue that pattern, and we'll be back to finish up this project. We are at the end of this project, and I'm still doing the single crochet right in the top of that single crochet from the prior row, doing the double crochet, and then another double crochet. I am doing a single crochet and 2 double crochets, and so we are just about finished. And in that very last stitch, I am going to do a single crochet. And here's where I am going to do, I'm going to tie it off, and I'm just basically going to weave over, bring the yarn up, get my scissors, snip my end, and pull it through. Pull all the way through. Okay, and I like to just tie off one more time for good measure. Okay, and now we're just going to weave in the ends, and we will be done. I'm going to go right under the stitches in that very last row. I'm going to take my yarn through there. Okay. So now I'm just going to snip my ends, and that's that for that project.
Very, very easy, right? I told you. It's a really easy project, and it can work up fairly quickly if you just dedicate the time to sit, watch a movie, and just start working it up. But it's a beautiful scarf. If you like it, let me know down in the comment section. If you make the project, make sure you tag me on Instagram so that I can see it. I'm at Crocheting with Minnie. If you like this video, make sure you go give it a thumbs up. And if you have not done so already, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you click the notification bell so that you can be notified of upcoming videos and you'll never miss a video that I upload. Again, thank you so much for today, and I will talk to you guys later. Y'all have an amazing, amazing day. Bye-bye.